This feature is something that's been asked for by various customers over the past 18 months or so, and this is the ability to add additional items to a replenishment request. Historically, the way replenishment requests have worked for us is you have a case, you use a certain number of items in the case, and then you do a replenishment request, which effectively is requesting one for one anything that was depleted in the case gets replenished. Um, you were not able to add additional items to that replenishment request. If you needed to request for more things than what was used in the case, you would have to create a separate request. Really, as a way to sort of separate those things. We have customers who really want to be able to add additional items to a replenishment request, and we have customers who don't. So what we've done is we've created a setting that allows you to, at the user level, allow them to add new items to the replenishment request. So if we go into a case here that's pending PO, which means the case has happened, devices have been used, and so now we can request replenishment. If we go to request replenishment, we'll go through the steps of, looking here, we've got 7 are selected because these are the 7 items that got used in this case. And then I can go to the search tab and I can say, I'm going to request additional items. So let's just say we're going to request some sets. You'll see now I've got 9, right? And I click next. I fill out the rest of this form in whatever way is necessary for me, and then click create. And now what it's done is it's created this replenishment request, and it has, you'll notice up here, we've got a flag that says replenishment plus. If we go to the request page, you'll see some of these have replenishment plus and others have replenishment. Replenishment means they have only asked one-to-one what they used. Replenishment plus obviously means they've asked for what they've used, plus they're asking for additional inventory. And then, you can review that. You review the request that they've asked for, and then you can fulfill it with a transfer in the normal way. Again, this is a setting at the user level. So you would have to go to the users page and you would pick a user. We'll just pick a sales user. And then we look at the user level settings, and then you'll see here, modify replenishment requests. Basically what it's doing is it's allowing sales and distributor users to manually to modify replenishment requests, which is what we just did, add additional items on top of what they used in the case.